U, umbrella. U for umbrella. Gamitin mo ang hinlalaki mo na. Yan, very good. Next. That is letter L. L. Where is L? Where is L? There are... Yan. Very good. Okay, next letter
M.
N. May N ka na.
Y.
No, that is not Y. That is letter.
Hindi ito kasali.
Kasali po, pero hindi yan Y. Tingnan mo letter ano yan.
V.
V. Okay, where is letter V?
Ito.
Good job. Sige. Okay. Almost done, Chloe. Okay, next letter. Wag mo na ganyan, Ninak. Magugulo pa yung ibang letters. Oh, next na. Letter?
Y.
No, tapos ka na sa Y.